Oh my God. You won't believe what recently happened to me. 3 weeks ago, I went to the bank, and I told the bank manager that I wanted to start a business with only $1. He nearly fainted and then began to laugh hysterically at me. I got so upset. And then, it got worse, all the other bank employees began to also laugh at me. Even some of the other customers in the bank were laughing at me. But guess what, now, only 3 weeks later. Believe me, they are not laughing anymore. Why? In less than 3 weeks, I have already earned $252.25. That's right. Here's an actual screenshot. $252.25 in 3 weeks, with only $1. Oh Mr. Banker, that is a 25,225% return on my invest. Not bad, hey? Let's see. How much does a bank normally pay in 3 weeks? Oh, nothing. And what about after 1 year? Well, if I am lucky, I might get 0.5%, or in some banks 1% if I have a lot of money to invest and if I leave it in there for years. But they don't even want to open up an account for only $1. So, it is absolutely 100% correct to state that I earned, in less than 3 weeks, at least 50,450 times more than I would have earned in the bank in an entire year. Now, you see why my banker is no longer laughing at me. In fact, he is curious as heck how in the world that I did it. Well, here's the beauty. I can give you the exact same system, and you can do the same as I have. Or even better. In fact, in less than 3 weeks already 3,282 people from all over the world have already joined to get our $1 system. Yes, it is a very simple but very powerful cash generating system. Or you can call it a smart money making system. In fact, the mathematics and algorithms behind it are super intelligent and completely work in your favor. You may know that a mortgage on a house is so expensive. Because of the interest rate, you end up paying for 3 or 4 homes. That is a system that is completely rigged to work in favor of the bank. Our system works absolutely in favor of its members. Yes, it's all about money leverage. You know, like if I tried to lift my car with my hands, I obviously couldn't do that. But if I install a simple system of pulleys in my garage, in a matter of seconds, I can begin to lift my car by barely lifting a finger. All because of leverage. In our $1 system, it's the same principle. And what is even better, is that now, I get the joy of also being able to share this system with my friends. And they too can let their money grow, with phenomenal return on invest. And I even get rewarded, each time that they get paid. And you may be wondering, if all of this is legal, because the return nearly sounds impossible. Well, I am happy to report that it is 100% legal and 100% ethical. And the people behind this program are rock solid. They combine high efficiency with high integrity. In fact, I get more product value in exchange than I have ever received from any program on the internet. So, ask the person who shared this video with you for their link to our $1 system. Oh, one more thing. And yes, you can sign up for free, so you can check it all out. But also join us in our Telegram group. We already have close to 600 members in there. And I must say, I have never experienced such an excellent level of instant support. Plus, I am learning every day in that group, because they are sharing and teaching very easy to apply tips to become very successful online, and how to maximize your profit. That alone is worth not $1, but I would be willing to pay hundreds of dollars for that. So, now quickly. Ask the person who shared this video with you for their link to our $1 system. Oh, and by the way, you will get a video like this too, and a beautiful website as well, and you will be able to invite your friends to our Telegram group as well. So you will never have to produce videos. So you will never have to design websites. So you will never have to write or design advertisements. Because all of that is already done for you. And you won't even have to answer people's questions, because our videos and website and our Telegram group is doing all of that for you. Okay. I am out of here, cause I want to share our incredible system with a few more of my friends. So, now quickly. Ask the person who shared this video with you for their link to our $1 system. I am looking forward to see you inside our Telegram group. Bye for now.